Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you guys so much for tuning in today. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys Javaya's hair care routine, the products I use in her hair, and how I use them in her hair to grow her hair out. So I start with her 2 weeks old braid. No, they actually Cornwall. I'm taking them out so I can actually wash her hair. So bienvenue tout moun nan YouTube channel sa. Merci en pile parce que nous ap gade video sa jodi an. And nan video sa m'bral montre nou comment mwen pran soin cheve Zara et comment mwen utilize produit yo nan tête li ki ka ede cheve l pousse. So mwen ap detrese ti kouri sa yo nan tête li la yo m'pen depuis 2 semaines passées, 2 semaines de cela. Whatever. So m'a detrese yo et puis pou m'ka lave cheveux et puis pou m'ka montre nou tout. So if you guys are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also like the videos if you guys find them helpful and everything. So please and thank you. And m konen an pil nan nou fek vini nan YouTube channel sa. Please pa bliye subscribe nan m toujou di abandone, Jesus. Please abone nan YouTube channel sa. E pi pou nou ka we please video lem poste yo e nou ka kite komante pou nou di mwen ki sa nou ta reme fe pou nou too. So I got no problems doing them for you guys. So and keep on watching this video. So yes, I have to get her off the chair so I can get to the back of her head. And she is a good baby. She stays the entire time and she let me do whatever I had to do to her hair and whatever I have to do. Like, she is a great baby. Like, I am so grateful for her. Okay, so I have to put her back in the chair. So as you guys can see, this is black castor oil, l'huile masquerade straight out of Haiti. And I'm gonna be applying this to her edges and to the back of her hair. To the back of her head. Nan cheve pa de tête li. Mwen pase ti l'huile masquerade sa nan tête li, nan devan cheve, nan d'enfance li. Paske, kom mwen dil deja, ti kouri sa yon se detrese nan tête li an, yo la depi 2 semaines, de tête li yon ti jan dry, e pi devan tête li tou, yon ti jan dry, kom d'enfance li yo dry. So m pase l'huile masquerade sa pou li ka fè cheve, yon ti jan soup pou l ka like revive cheveux pour les map lave yo pour m'pa faire cheveux vin please dry. C'est ça que fait me passer l'huile masquerade là dedans. Et comme moi dit déjà guys, pas oublier abonner dans YouTube channel ça et puis mettez suggestion nous en bas dans comment là et puis n'a dit qui ça nous t'a même fait pour nous. Okay, I apply this castor oil all over. I did not apply it all over, but I was just working it down to her scalp to make sure everything is set. Okay, now I am getting ready to wash her hair. I get everything ready before I bring her out. Actually, I have her products like her shampoo, her conditioner, and I also have a towel that I actually put down so I can lay her down on it so I don't have to like put her on that cold surface and stuff like that. So that's what I did. Okay, now I'm testing the water to make sure it is not too cold and not too hot. So it is actually warm water, as You guys know she's a baby. Mbaka mette de l'eau frette nan tête li. Et mbaka mette de l'eau pour bouler cheveux. I mean, pour bouler tête li. So, let's watch. Ok, m'a mouillé cheveux, m'a mouillé toute tête li. Après ça, m'a mette shampoing nan tête li. Ok, moun yam mette shampoing. Et ça yo se produit m'utiliser dans cheveux. Et avec me laver cheveux. Of course, faut un petit genre frotter en bas tête li pour make sure que tout en bas tête li prend et laver clean. So, ou frotter en bas tête li et puis tout li servi comme un massage too. So you massage the hair, you massage her scalp. So once you massage her scalp, she likes it. It feels good. So that helped to calm her down too. So it's actually good. It's a good thing. Ok, konya la m'a prince cheveux, m'a retiré shampoo en tête li. Après ça pour m'ka bali on l'autre shampoo parce que cheveux étaient vraiment sale. Ok, konya m'a fonti avancer caméra pi près pour nous ka comme cheveux liés. Konya cheveux ou ka cheveux nou ti jan. Men cheveux propre konya la. Ok, kounya la mbal pase conditioner nan tet li ki se rince lan. Mwa pase nan tet li kounya la. Mwa make sure ke tout cheve a pran nan rince lan. Paske se li menm kape de cheve detangle paske cheve te yon ti jan mare. So mwa meton bon ti valet conditioner nan cheve pou mka demele cheve. And of course, for utilize yon pen ki yon ti jan laj, ki gen dan laj, pa utilize pen ki piti yo. Pase, ya fel mal. Okay, so it was so hard to get in the back of her hair so I can detangle them. So I had to sit her up so I can get to the back. And map separe cheve, so map separe cheve pou mka demele yo in section, pou mka make sure tout cheve bien demele. Et puis kounya map tresse yo, so yo ba mélanger. Sak demele deja, yo pa mélanger avec sak pa demele yo. She is having the time of her life with that spoon. Lap jure avec qui est ça? Oh my goodness. So now, tout cheve fin démêlé, moi y a just mélanger ensemble et puis mon caresser cheveux. Hey guys, probably regardez vidéo ça till the end. I know li yon ti jan long, but at the same time, it took me way more time to actually wash her hair and do everything that I had to do with her hair. So video, of course, mwen edit li, mwen fel rapid, mwen coupe la dan, mwen everything. So it is not that long. If you guys had to wash your baby's hair, it would take you forever. If you had to do like all the stuff I had to do for her, it would have taken you forever. So please understand and watch the full video so nou ka wè tout sam itilize nan tet li. So, sa m itilize nan cheve li yo bon pou li, yo mache pou li. She's only 10 months old. Li gen 10 mwa e pi li gen tout cheve sa. So, you guys, yeah. Okay, so cheve li fin nicely. I'm just gonna do a length check. I always do a length check. Gade koman longe cheve li. Okay, so li fin benye. Ben, tet li lave, so she's ready to go. Okay guys, so right now I am getting ready to dry her hair with her towel, and then I'll go ahead and apply some black castor oil and some coconut oil, and also her She Moisture Curl Kids or whatever that is. I don't remember the name, but yeah. Kounya map souye chevel, map met cherke tout chevel sèche. Parce konen li son ti mou nan mi tan tèt li mou, fòm mek chem souye nan mi tan tèt li. Apre sa pou m kite chevel sèche. Okay, so sa se l'huile coco e m'utilize, li 100% organic coconut oil. E pi sa se l'huile masketi ki soti Haiti m'ap itilize nan tèt li la. Ba metan pil, so paske m'bal mélanger yo ansam. Nou konen l'huile masketi a yon ti jan gen gros sant, epi lò mélange la avec l'huile cocoya ou konya l'huile masqueti an pa tellement fort, so sant lan ap vin un bon ti sant actually. Okay, so I'm applying that all over her hair, and then yep, making sure everything is set with the oil and everything. Okay, so like nan mi tan tèt li, un ti jan pi rough, li un ti jan pi dis, pran un ti kal l'huile masqueti avec cocoya ankon mette nan mi tan tèt li. Li va ve mwen tèt li. Okay, ça c'est what you call it, yon bagay ke ap kembe cheve moisturize, yon ta kom yon butter map mette nan tèt li pou map kite cheve air dry avec tout produit sa yo mette nan tèt li la. And now she's getting fuzzy. It's been a long time I've been doing this thing in her hair, so she's been good. Now she said, that's enough, mommy. Get off my hair. Get off my hair. Leave me alone. Okay, so I'm fini avec konya la. Et puis m'a quitté cheveux sèche. Jan wè liye la, cheveux la prêté li sèche pour contre li. Non so j'aime te dire tired, mais konya la dormi, okay? La dormi. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also